welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we're going to look at how to remove the background of an image. So over here I have an image here which is in JPEG, right? It's an image of a cute and adorable cat. So what we'll do is that we just have to remove the background of this image and then just leave the cat alone. To do that, I have this website. It's called Remove BG. So you go to this website and then over here you choose the first one. So I would leave the link to this website in the description. So you choose the first one, and then it says upload the image. So to upload the image, I have the image here. I could just drag it and then paste it here, and then you wait for just some few seconds, roughly 5 seconds, and there you have it, almost done. Oh, this is taking quite some time, so we just wait for a while. Oh, okay, so it's done. So you can see that this is the original image which is still loading, but this is the finished product, right? So we can now go ahead and then download it. So you can just click download, and that is it. It's downloaded. So you have the image of our cat, so cute, and it's so simple. You could always use this website for signatures, how to get the signature out of a background, how to crop your image out of a profile picture and then change the background. So I hope this was useful to you. If it was, please do like, comment, and then subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much, and see you another time. Bye.